So it is everyone's favorite time of the year, finals week. I am surprised that I survived this long into my program because I remember my prof told me on the first day of classes that a lot of people don't even make it till second year. So the fact that I'm still here says something. Hey everyone, it is Swaggy Unicorns back with a new video, and today I am documenting my finals week of my first year of university. So it is Saturday, April 17th, 11:09 at night. The reason why I'm starting this vlog on a Saturday is because tomorrow, which is Sunday, is going to be my first exam of the semester, which is my psychology exam, and it's an elective, so it's not that big of a deal. It's open for 24 hours, so I could either do it tomorrow or on Monday, but my plan is to get it done by tomorrow because I just want to get it over with, and it's an elective, so it's not that hard. I'm just gonna read my whole plan of the week so everything's kind of like scheduled out. So this is my planner. I do recommend everyone to get a planner when you're in school, university especially, college, university, anywhere you go in your post-secondary career, to get a planner. It's so helpful. Tomorrow I have my psychology exam opening from 7 a.m. until Monday at 11:59, which is midnight. And then Tuesday I have my film paper due, which is another elective. I already typed up the paper, but I have to go back and fix some stuff. And then also on Tuesday I have a gerontology final exam. Thursday I have my last exam, which is my anatomy exam. And then after that, I'm done. It's currently 1 a.m. Sunday, April 18. My psych exam opens up in 6 hours, and I decided that I'm going to be doing the exam today, probably 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. So I'm on TikTok right now, and I got a notification that someone liked one of my comments, right? So then I go and check, and I'm like, what the heck? When did I make this comment? I look at it. I made this comment on October 19, 2020. How are people finding my comments? Oh, it has like almost 3,000 likes, that's why. It is currently 4:38 a.m. and I have my psych exam opening up in 3 hours, and I'm currently listening to the Arctic Monkeys while I type up my final paper for one of my classes. So I messed up. It is Sunday, April 18th, 2023, and last night I stayed up doing my paper until 5 a.m. and I thought that for some reason I would do my exam at 9 a.m. today, but that did not happen because I woke up at 1. So plans changed, and now I'm going to be doing my exam at 4. Note to self, don't stay up the night before an exam. So for the meanwhile, until it's 4, I'm just going to study and review my notes, and then whenever the time's ready, I'm just going to take the exam. So it is time for my first exam. It is almost 4 o'clock. Okay, so it is 3:58 and I am just getting ready to start the exam. I'm just gonna open up the page for it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this exam and I will come back when I finish. I just finished my second psychology exam of my first year, and I'm so relieved that it's done. I'm glad that's over. I was planning to study for my next exams, but I feel like I need a break right now. So I'm just gonna like chill, probably take a nap, and then come back to study for my next exam, which is my gerontology exam, which is on Tuesday. It is currently 11:08 right now, and I am going to be annotating and making notes from the textbook on my gerontology review. I don't get if this is just me, or I'm usually so motivated to do work at night. Like during the day I can't do it, but at nighttime there's just some burst of energy inside of me that's like, let's get to work, and it would be like 3 a.m. Don't you hate when this happens? Like when you're highlighting and then like the ink rubs on the highlighter? I don't like that. It is Monday, April 19, 1:48 in the afternoon, and today was my last anatomy class, as you saw in the previous clips, and I'm going to continue to be studying for my gerontology exam, which is tomorrow. It is worth 30%. I am scared to death about it because the prof is really hard, but what I'm gonna do is just review my notes that I printed out, make some notes on the side, watch some videos that she posted, and read the textbook, and hopefully that's enough. I can't prepare more than doing that. It is currently 8:18 right now. I've been studying for 5 hours already, and this is how my desk looks like. Is it bad to be experiencing burnout on finals week? This exam is worth 30% of my grade, and it's tomorrow. Welcome to day 3 of exams, and it is currently April 20. Happy 420 everyone, 11:12. And so I literally just got up and my exam starts in less than 2 hours, and I'm just gonna be reviewing once more right now and then just, prepare myself. I'm so nervous. This whole course is like a burden on my shoulders. I've been carrying this course on my back for 4 months, and today I'm just gonna let it all go, pour my knowledge onto this exam, and leave, and then I can celebrate. I'm wearing my high school gym shorts right now with an oversized sweater, and I feel so comfy. So it is 12:50, my exam starts in 10 minutes. I'm so nervous. We got the water bottle. We're ready. I feel like I'm ready, but I feel like I'm not. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to calm down, because if I start freaking out, I'm going to forget everything. Freaking out. I'm about to do the exam, so I'll see you guys when I come back. So we're back. It is 3:02. Just finished my gerontology exam, and it wasn't that bad. I feel like I just overreacted and thought it was gonna be bad, but because I studied a lot, it wasn't that bad. So I finished that, and then I finished the gerontology exam, and then now I just have to edit my fill paper, which is due tonight at midnight. Okay, so it is 6:10 right now. I am so tired of editing my paper, so I just ordered some food because I deserve it after that exam. It's 11:11. Still editing this essay. I can't do this anymore. Like, this is 8 pages. Like, this is too much.
Fred, get your money, man. Life goes on. I'm hopeful. Yes, I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it.
No, the fact that this is happening to me right now, it is literally 11:31. This essay is due at midnight, and my editing screen is frozen. Like, it's not loading. Oh my god, I can't. Hello, we are in the car. I'm currently waiting for my brother to get back, and I'm debating on getting a strawberry lemonade because you need that caffeine during exam season. And tomorrow's my last exam, thank God. Well, it's basically a test, but it's weighted as an exam, and I'm not that worried because I already started studying for it on Monday. So it's not that I have to like cram everything in today. I just have to review everything, so it's not that bad. I feel feel like I should be worried, but I'm not. That's what's so scary about me. I should be worried about a lot of things, but I'm not. And people are like, why aren't you worried? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, I'm very calm and collected to these things. Like, actually, no, last night I was going crazy, but that was understandable. That was so scary. That whole paper thing, oh my gosh. I love this song. Hey everyone, it is 4:40 right now, and we got the Wendy's lemonade. It's so good. Right now I am just going to be rewatching all of my lectures for anatomy and taking extra notes that I could miss, because my prof loves to ask questions on the test about things that happen during the lecture. So I'm just like, if I didn't pay attention, I'm gonna miss this information. So this is my study notes right here that I printed out earlier, some additional notes, and then my test review where I'm going to look over and cover each topic so I'm ready for tomorrow. My house is so cold for some reason. Hello everyone, it is currently 8:34 right now. I am back to studying for anatomy. Really good tip when studying is listening to music. I know a lot of people listen to music when they study, and I usually would listen to pop music or whatever's on my Spotify playlist, but then it really got me distracted, so I started listening to lo-fi music, and that really helped me concentrate. And there are a bunch of YouTube channels that have like lo-fi music, and they would go for like 1 hour, 2 hours, some have 5-hour videos. I think there was like 10-hour versions too. Another good channel is called Quiet Quest Study Music, and there are these two specific videos that I listened to when I had a test 2 weeks ago. It's called Music to Help You Study and Memorize, and another one is called Ambient Study Music for Concentration. I listened to that the night before a test, and I was like studying while listening to it, and I did good on the test. It could be a placebo effect, but the music in this channel really helps you to concentrate, so I recommend you guys to do that, or try it out at least. It really helps you, and the visuals are really good. It's just of mountains and like the water and the sky. One clears the mind and one is deep focus. I listen to the deep focus one. It's really good. Again, I'm not gonna say it's gonna help all of you, but just a tip I recommend. Welcome to day 5 of finals week. It is currently Thursday, April 22, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and my exam opens up at 3:20, so in about 2 hours. So I'm so excited to get this done. I'm literally so tired. So for the remainder of the time, I'm going to be reviewing my study sheet, going over some stuff that I don't understand. So for the remainder of the time, I'm going to be going over my study sheet. I have about 2.5 hours to do so, and then I'm going to eat and then take the exam, and then we're done. We finished, we survived, we did that, and then I'm going to take a nap. Last test as a nursing freshman. Let's do this. So I just finished my first year of university online. I don't know what to say anymore. Like, I literally just finished. That's crazy. Like, I'm done everything. So that was my first year of nursing school. It's done. That's crazy. And thank you to everyone who stuck around. And if you want to keep sticking by until the end of my nursing journey, which, oh my god, that sounds so sad, but I mean until I graduate and become an actual nurse, then make sure to subscribe. It won't hurt. Why not? do it. It's been a wild journey. I'm planning to do a whole video on my experience in first year online school and probably answering a lot of your questions in the comments. So keep continuing to comment down some questions about anything related to nursing or anything you would like to know, and it'll be in an upcoming video. So thank you guys so much for sticking by. It is just hitting me that I finished first year, and it all goes downhill from here. I'll see you on my next video, so bye!
I'm out of here.